So it's a 4 paragraph statement, and I'm going to look at each paragraph. And the first paragraph is essentially introducing the anchor. So my interest in science dates back to my years in high school, where I excelled in physics, chemistry, and math. When I was a senior, I took a first year calculus course at a local college. Such an advanced level class was not available in high school, and earned an A. It seemed only logical that I pursue a career in electrical engineering. So he's giving you timeline. Um, remember the timeline. He's giving you timeline that he started his timeline in science in high school. And he did so well and tested so well that he was able to get into a local college with a calculus course. So now we see how he logically gets to this basically anchor or thesis that it seemed only logical that I pursue a career in electrical engineering. Now, of course, if you're going to use the word logical, you're going to have a little bit more steps than that. But, for the time, for the limits that he has in writing the personal statement and the word count, this is what we get. And it's a very good opening. So, again, timeline, engagement. He completed courses in physics, chemistry, and math, even taking a college level course in calculus, which was not available in high school, earning an A, and then pursuing a career in electrical engineering. That's his anchor. That's his thesis. That's now he needs to persuade us on this. That it's not just the timeline, that every paragraph after this, every example he uses after this will have to support this anchor or this thesis that electrical engineering is a suitable career for him.